Okay, let's see if we can make this one come up a treat. This will be an interesting one, if we can make it look good. We're going two colour. We're going to go black and yellow first. We're going to set this up. I'm pretty sure this will be a 70% job. Okay, what do we got? Oh, stupid user interface. We're just going to leave it like that. We don't want it too much background on this one. This one's going to be an interesting one if we can make it look good. Copy density will stay in the middle. So we're just going to see if we can make it look any good. What is it? Okay, it's something interesting. It is the House of Wellness. We're just going to photocopy this person. Right. See if we can make her look interesting. More interesting than the original. So we're going to just line that up. I'm going to try and centre it as much as we can. Right, I'm going to make it into a dual colour. So let's see how this looks. And we're going to make it we're not going to make a mirror image for this. We're going to do it a bit differently. So now we're just going to do a black and yellow work on her. Anyway, I don't know if I like it. It looks a bit backgroundy, but you can see the yellow in her lips and the yellow around there and the yellow where the colour is. Wondering if we're going to do anything else. She looks a bit backgroundy. Wondering if we can improve on that. We're just going to go in here and we're just going to apply some background removal. Hopefully that won't compromise the areas where the colour is. Hopefully we'll have still enough colour in this image. But I just want it to look good, so let's see how we go with the background removal. Yeah, that looks a bit better background wise, but you can see some of the yellow has gone. It's not as nice, but you can still see the yellow around her. So I'm wondering which ones we're going with. I don't know if this one's really working out. It's not as creative as I normally am with this stuff. I just thought I'd do something a little bit different. So we're going to do a different one. We're not going to use we're not going to make a mirror image. So we're just going to do the process colors, the three. We're just going to do it a little bit differently. So we're working on this differently. So this is our second page. So that's our second page that shows her in cyan. And we're going to line these up after we're finished. So we're going to line these up. The cyan looks good. And we're just going to go in here. And we're going to apply magenta and black this time. So this is just a little quick demo. We're not making a mirror image like we normally do. We've got to do things a little bit more differently, folks. We can't do everything exactly the same. It's nice to have a break and to use the different colours. And now that's our magenta. Actually, the lips don't look too bad, actually. So now we're just going to line these up in chronological order, just to show the difference in each of the colours that we've used to create this demo. So we'll just line them up fairly close to each other. We're not going to get too fussed because we're not dealing with a mirror image. So we're just going to line these pieces up and just show them all in a row. So there you have it. Wellness Magazine. We'll just get a bit closer to it. Wellness Magazine reinvented.